I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power state because Windows can change behavior when plugged in versus on battery. Once ready, open Settings, press Win+I or use the Start menu so you're in control immediately. Next, navigate to System and then Display. This is where brightness, night light, and scale live together. Make sure you can see the display pane. If not, resize or use arrow keys to focus. This gets you straight to the controls you'll adjust in the next steps. You should move the brightness slider first. That instantly changes luminance from 0 to 100% so you can see the effect. Once done, consider night light. Toggle it on for warmer tones and reduce blue light at night. You can schedule it or change strength for comfort. If brightness seems limited, open Advanced Display Settings, then display adapter properties to check driver or manufacturer controls. Make sure to test different levels and note any automatic adjustments like adaptive brightness. You finish by applying your chosen brightness and testing across web pages, videos, and full-screen apps to ensure consistency. If the slider is missing or unresponsive, open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and update or roll back the driver. This often restores controls. Also check any manufacturer utilities or BIOS/UEFI brightness settings that can override Windows. If problems persist, reboot after driver change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.